Hello. Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting biotech company called Adamis Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Adamis Pharmaceuticals Corporation, they're really a biopharmaceutical company, and they're trying to develop, commercialize products in different therapeutic areas: allergy, opioid overdose, respiratory, inflammatory disease. They have already a few approved products: epinephrine, SYMJEPI, which is used in really an emergency situation. So let's look at the leadership team. Ronald Moss, Chief Medical Officer; David J. Margugli is the CEO. So they have a couple products already approved. One of them, naloxone SYMJEPI is the brand name. So it's an opioid antagonist that's really used in emergency treatment when patient has a suspected opioid overdose. Really, incredible medication. Patients can have respiratory, central nervous system, depression, and if that happens from taking an opioid, they're going to be given naloxone. Really, amazing treatment. They also have another medication that I'm looking, for potential indication for cancer radiation-induced dermatitis, which is really a problem sometimes with patients, really awful problem with patients with radiation dermatitis undergoing treatment for cancer. So I'm really excited about that. They've successfully completed their phase 2 study regarding, and they have a pivotal phase 3 study that's coming up. One of the most common side effects in radiation is that acute skin reaction, and it can be mild to very severe. And it probably, close to, like, as much as what I've read, up to 85% of patients, could, have this type of radiation therapy, can experience that skin reaction. So, and there's really no approved products for these dermatitis. So I'm really excited about that. So let's look at the pipeline. So I talked about they have SYMJEPI epinephrine that's already approved, naloxone already approved. So here's this APC 410 topical gel, already looking into going to phase 3 trials. The other medication I was looking at that they have is this ACP 400 oral capsule tablet for respiratory disease, anti-inflammatory. When I initially saw this, I thought, wow, this looks incredible. There's a big pandemic that's, basically been going on the last couple of years, and this potentially could be therapy. But did some more digging, and actually just recently, the company Adamis provided an update on their trial for this respiratory disease anti-inflammatory oral capsule. The interim data for their phase 2-3 clinical trial did not demonstrate statistical significance for its primary endpoint versus placebo. And the independent safety board recommended halting the trial. So that's that's bad news. Unfortunately, now they can tweak the trial. They can go back and see if they can adjust the primary endpoints, do a new study, but not great results, unfortunately. Not great results. So let's take a look at the stock price. So stock symbol ADMP. ADMP. Adamis Pharmaceuticals. The time of the video is trading at 26 cents. I'll be honest with you, I'm surprised it's not down lower based on the data. Based on having that results, that's a big opportunity, unfortunately missed. Now, there's still potential upside. I do like the potential upside of that topical gel. We'll see what happens with that. There's going to be a lot of stuff to still cover. They may re-induce the study, or they may try to find a different indication for that potential medication. So there's still a lot of compelling stuff they're gonna be reporting on in the coming quarters. So I'm gonna continue to monitor this company. At this time, I'm not looking to get in. Just based on the interim results But there are other updates on other videos that I'm going to be making soon. Other companies that I'm really very bullish on: ORMP, Oramed, Nucana, NCNA. There's definitely other videos. I got to do some updates coming up. That's all the time we have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and content I'm creating, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. It helps grow the channel. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.